Boy! Meron akong shortcut! Yeah! Yan o. So guys, good morning. If it is morning in your place, today I'm going to be teaching you how to put data overlays on your videos, on your cycling videos, how to put power, date, speed, or whatever you want to put. First things first is you gotta download the application, the software application to your laptop or your computer. That is called VIRB Edit. Type download. Click on it, and then here we go. You'll find it here, VIRB Edit download. There you go, click that one. Alright, and then after installing the VIRB Edit on your laptop, you'll be prompted to a software called the VIRB Edit. Here you go, this is the VIRB Edit. You will be prompted to this software. Open it. This is the VIRB Edit. Okay, here you go. As you can see, if you want to create a video, here you go. Alright, here we go. In creating a new video, just click on create video and name the title of your video. We're gonna call it breakaway. Alright, then just click on create video. Alright, and now we have no clips yet, and we would like to import a clip. Import clips, and then here we go. My clips are on my GoPro, and I already put the memory card on the USB. Click on import others, and select the clip you want. Let's say this one, 186.898. Click on that, and there you go. Import only. I want it to import only, like that. And then this one will just reach 100%, and your video will come out like this. Let's cancel this one out because our video is already here. This one, let's put. So what I use is my Brighton 420 to get the datas. Yeah, you will need a device, a GVS device to get those datas. I'm going to turn it on and put it on the USB. Alright, ilagay natin sa USB para kunin yung mga data ng aking Brighton. I use a Brighton 420 by the way. And yes, plug it in. Once you plug it in, mahahanap mo na yung data na gusto mo. Alright, there you go. So what we're gonna do, as of now, wala pa siyang data, right? Let's play that one. Wala pang data. So what we're gonna do is go on Gmetrics, import Gmetrics. And yesterday was June 6th. Click on computer, and then click on browse, and find the date of what date was your ride. So there you go, June 6th, right? Open. Click on open. As you can see here, this is my ride. Now you can use all those datas that you want. They are selected over here, and there you go. And click use this log. Alright, there you go. Now it has data. I don't want to use this one. Let's delete that one and delete this one. Right click it, select, and then now click on this. I also don't want the logo. Let's remove the logo. Invisible. Okay, delete. The logo is gone. Okay, there you go. Let's see the timing now. We will put the timing of the video. So we're gonna synchronize the power datas that you get on the video. So let's click on metric sync. Ito timing mo na yung speed at cadence. Kung paano malalaman ganito yan, hanapin natin ngayon sa video yung ating pinuntahan. Pero to medyo mahirap, straight line. Pero ito ang gusto ko. Ito ang maganda dito, malupit. Nakita mo yung daan na to? Yan. There's a line, there's a road over here. We will play that. And let's see if we will pass by. There, you can see this road over here. There is a road over here. And yes, we are close by the road. Let's check it. One more. Alright, look. The road is over here, diba? Yan. We are passing by the road. Almost close to it. Hindi pa tayo pumapass by. We haven't passed by it. So you can click this one, drag it, click it, drag it, and move it a little bit. There you go. There. Hindi pa tayo lumampas, and here's the road. So we can drag it back again around over here. I like it there. Click it. There you go. To further check. To further check the video, if it's in synchronization, about here. There's the crossing. Yes, I like it there. See the crossing. While playing this, the speed doesn't move. Okay, that's something they should update. Okay, there's the overpass behind me, and we're almost above it. So yeah, it is on point. We are on sync. We're good to go. Let's click done. Don't forget to click done and then try to play it. But first of all, you're gonna have to put gauges. Lagyan mo ng gauges. Click on gauges. Here you go, gauges. And what I wanna do is select this. These are your selections of all the datas that you want: distance, elevation, gradient, courses, track, coordinates. Yes, and then you can select all of it in here. Click on data type. You'll find them all here. Recorded speed, and I like it cleaner. I like it like this. This one, drag it, click it, drag, and put it here. I don't like the circle one. Right click it, delete. Double right click to delete it. No. Click first on the data, left click, and then right click, delete, select delete. And I want the speed. In trying to figure, you make the appearance, mas palakihin pa ito. Magtagalog na lang tayo yan. Click on appearance, click mo na siya, diba? Transform. You can select it here, like that. Maximum para malaki. There you go. Yan, may speed na tayo doon. And I'm also wearing a heart rate, so let's put on the heart rate. Click on gauges again, select data type, heart rate, and I want my heart rate to be safe. Maraming choices dito kung ano yung klase ng gusto mo na kung ayun, pumipitik-pitik. Heart rate, I'm going to be choosing this one. I like this heart. Okay, there you go. And then you can click this little dot here, square, and then you can resize it here again. There you go. Put it on top of speed. And I also have a power meter, where we will put my power meter. There you go. Average 3 seconds power. Lagyan natin dyan. Masyadong malaki to. Let's resize that one to just a small one. Something like that. Put it on the edge of the screen. Also this one. Click it down. Enlarge it. And masyadong malaki. Anong size nito? We can see the size of this one by clicking appearance is 153%. Let's also do this 153%. There you go. Now parehas na sila. Okay, they are the same. Now all we gotta do is align it. What else do we need? Speed, power, cadence. Okay, click on gauges again, and then there you go. I also have cadence. I also have a cadence sensor. So gusto ko yung umiikot. I want the spinning image of this one. Here I see one. There you go. Cadence. Click it, drag it. Left click and drag it. Where will we put this one? Lagyan natin dyan. Pwede na yan. Let's just put it on the end of it. Okay na yan. That's 4 basic. And then we're ready to import. Marami bang choices dito if you want. You can put the what else? Durations. You can have track, elevation. You can have elevation, the distance of the ride or the video, gradient. Let's put the gradient for good time's sake. Alright, let's put it over here at the end. Masyadong malaki. Let's size it down a bit. The gradient over here at the end, at the edge. No, over here on top of the heart rate. Okay, now let's play it. Now you can see the speed, the power, and the RPM. There you go, the heart rate. Okay, so 7 RPM.
Videoan kayo.
Alright, there you go. Let's click the other ones. Right.
Sadig tayo. 1K to go.
Let's see this. Alright. Now, you're ready to export this one. Alright, and then export it. These are the highest resolution you can choose from. You can choose 4K if you want to, and you can choose 1080p. I always choose 1080p, 60 frames per second. Alright, and I chose my C on the videos. It will automatically go to the videos. So yeah, there you go. Export. Let's export it. There you go. Easy as that. Now once it's done, it will go to your folder that you chose from. Alright, very easy as that. So yes, thank you, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, come on, press that like button, share, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions on what to do, any tutorials. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's how you put data overlays on your video. Okay, bye bye. 99%, let's do this. 100%, and then by the time it says 100%, you just have to wait for the word done. Come on, say done. There you go, exporting. Yes.
Boy! Meron akong shortcut! Yan o.